something new. It's a technology stuff, but we can learn more stuff while having fun and watching videos. It is called VR. Let's open up and see inside. Well, first thing you get a plastic. Inside of the plastic is the VR. And with the VR, there will be a hand controller and a VR. There's also instructions provided. Well, so this one, you will put the mobile here. You can connect this with the mobile. You need to put these together and then put this with the mobile. And then you can move your head around with the VR. And then also, if you are using the hand controller, sometimes if you cannot, like sometimes if you wear the VR, if you move your head, you will not walk. So that means you need the VR hand controller. So you can move the controller up, down, right, or left. There's a restart and also this. And there's also a press OK in front of everything. You can change the screen while doing this. Front or back. Doesn't matter. It depends on your screen. So then, first when you wear it, you can see stuff like in real life, not pretend or anything. It will feel like it's real. Well, this brand is VEATIVE. You can read it from here. And there's also a QR scanner from here. Well, since I shared it with you, now we're gonna share it with somebody else. Well, Ryan, can you come here? Sure, what do you want? Well, can you tell them about the website we can use?
This is VEATIVE. So there's an app called VEATIVE also. And there's also a website called easyadd. If you want to know what's your password, because there will be a username and the password, the VEATIVE, they will choose the easyadd. They will just choose it like randomly. So you have to check your email. Or if you put your child's email, check it. Okay, so let's try playing it.
So now we're gonna see new educational videos. So
you just first thing, open it. You have to put you have to put your mobile number and the password. You log in. For the forums, there will be a lot of forums. Example, we choose form 1. It's very cheap. And then for the form 1, we got math and science.
So we're gonna choose science. There's math and science. So I'm just gonna choose science. Then we can choose anything here. Ryan, can we choose animal cell? Sure, why not? Okay, so we just put animal cell. Then here's the video how we do it, but we're just gonna install it quickly. Okay. Then, that was fast. Yeah. Okay, so we just have to press open. So do you want to learn the objectives? Yeah, sure. So it will show us the objective, what we must know, like these. Yeah, then you can learn the structure of an animal cell. But we're just gonna skip and go to the access knowledge. Then we go to OK. Okay. There we go. Then you can just press play if you want to. And there's many more you can do.
Oh, it'll feel like you're in the class, so now we're gonna quit it.
It doesn't really feel like class, but we will put it like that. Make sure that it's on the eyes place. We'll connect this here.
Oh, so now you're gonna put it on.
So then you can get the controller. So we cannot see it from here, but she can. So it looks really realistic.
So then it says to go to the highlighted area.
So like, it could be a green highlighter or blue, but and if you want to move, you just use this. Are you going forward?
Yeah.
Are you crashing into something?
Almost.
Okay, so you can control it. And here's the back button. Here's like the menus. Here you go. And once you got it off, you can just like use it for the mobile itself. Okay, bye. See you next time.
Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.
And check out the Facebook page for more details. Now, bye. See you next time. Have fun with the VR.